Willie with the Basement Kings. We are working here in Tyler, Texas, and very often we get situations where we can see what we call Efflorescence. Some people call it Efflorescence. It's not. It's Efflorescence with an F, double F. And you'll see this white powder. It looks like it's growing hair up against the wall. And it comes off very easily. See it? It just flicks. What it is, it's the salt that's leaching out of the masonry product. So once it gets saturated with water on a regular basis, that water makes the salt leach out of the other side. So, and it'll crystallize. And that's why it'll almost look like it's growing hair. It almost looked like a version of mold. And it comes off very easily. So, usually bleach and water will take care of it. But the main thing I want to show is when you have standing water on a regular basis, that's what you're going to see. And when you see it, you're going to know that A, chances are you don't have a dehumidifier. Number two, you want to make sure that the water isn't coming in on a regular basis and you're going to have to stop it. So, but the main thing I wanted to show on this video was showing, look at how much this is. That is a lot. That is a lot of Efflorescence coming through this wall. And you can see it, it's crystallizing right here. So on the other side of this wall, we're in this basement. And on the other side of this wall, it's a planter box that comes all the way up the wall. And down here at the bottom where the footer is where all the water is. So that's why we have it. So remember, Efflorescence, 2 Fs.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.